Making $10,000 in 5 days is the high-end result of a system where brands distribute millions of dollars in rewards to creators who can generate mass impressions. By the end of this video, you will have a fully edited, monetized piece of content ready to start that process. The engine driving this is called clipping. Instead of filming original content, you take existing footage and redistribute it to earn a direct CPM payout based on the views you generate. This process requires no filming equipment, zero starting capital, and no previous editing experience. Because brands provide the footage and the payout infrastructure, anyone with a phone and 4 minutes can access an advertising ecosystem that was previously restricted to professional agencies. Before we dive into the specific clicks, let's step back and look at how this ecosystem actually operates. Everything revolves around a platform called Content Rewards. This serves as your central hub for monetization, where you start by creating a free account. Inside, browse a library of active campaigns. Select a brand, click into one, and see the exact CPM payout rate offered for your impressions. The financial scale is significant, distributing almost $3 million to clippers every single month. Many people hesitate here because of copyright concerns, but these campaigns operate on an inverted model of content ownership. High-profile intellectual properties actively want you distributing their footage. They view decentralized clipping as a tool for mass awareness that drives their overall corporate profits. This sanctioned partnership allows you to trade your account's distribution for the brand's marketing capital. To process that footage, we use an automated tool called Creo. It costs nothing to sign up and functions as an automated replacement for a traditional editor. You start by taking the raw video file provided by the brand and dropping it straight into the upload zone. A single click triggers the entire automation process. The software instantly generates captions, applies text animations, and overlays background music onto your timeline. This automation handles the tedious syncing of text and audio that usually takes hours of manual labor. You should aim to finish this entire editing step in under 4 minutes. Avoid getting stuck on minor font adjustments or transition tweaks. Using complex software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve is unnecessary for this model. In clipping, speed and seamless automation are your primary goals. Prioritizing frictionless execution allows you to maximize your daily output, which is more important than perfection. Once ready, you can publish the clip directly from the interface straight to the active campaign. This workflow creates a direct link, splitting and publishing your file to your social media feed while simultaneously syncing with the CPM tracking system. Once the campaign is live on your dashboard, the platform will automatically track your views and calculate your pay. Now that you can build an asset, we have to look at the macro strategy required to scale these results. Long-term viability in this system requires a strict minimum volume of posting, at least 10 videos a day. Attempting this with only 1 or 2 videos statistically leads to inconsistent results and low payouts. High-volume posting shifts the focus away from viral luck and toward a predictable baseline of monetized impressions. You are now equipped to manage a scalable clipping operation. You have the tools to create fully edited, monetized assets without spending personal capital or building a public identity. This model succeeds by siphoning the existing momentum of established brands, removing the need to build a personal audience from scratch. Your next step is to return to the campaign dashboard and begin the high-volume posting cycle today. With the infrastructure provided, your success now depends on your ability to maintain a consistent, high-volume posting schedule across multiple campaigns.